Hi guys, last week I was invited for an event, YouTube Black community to be precise, and the event kick off yesterday and it's going to last for 3 days. And yesterday's section was so awesome. We have Aina, the popular traveling YouTuber, and he gave us a lot of insights. We really learned a lot yesterday. And this morning, as promised by the YouTube Black community, our package is going to be delivered this morning, and the dispatch rider is on his way. I'm expecting him. And when he comes around, I'm going to take the delivery of the awesome package sent by the Black YouTube community, and I'm going to take you through the process of unboxing that delivery. Just stick by and watch the rest of this video as everything goes. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. I told you earlier about a package sent to me by the YouTube Black community, and I forgot to tell you earlier that the summit was virtual, and we had a lot of Black YouTubers across Africa in yesterday's session, and the popular traveling and entertainment icon Aina was in session yesterday, and he gave us a lot of insights. We learned a lot of things from him yesterday. So here is the package from YouTube Black community sent to me this morning, and it was delivered by an awesome dispatch rider this morning. I'm going to unbox this with you as I promised earlier, and it's not so much about the content in this box. It's kind of a regular thing you get, just like a souvenir when you attend any summit, but it's more importantly about what we learned in that summit and what we are still going to learn, because it continues from today and up to December the 3rd. The experience was awesome. Yesterday was my first time of attending that summit. I've told you in my previous video, those that I did last year, my experience with YouTube when they came to Nigeria, but with Black community, this is my first time attending their summit, and it was virtual, and yesterday was awesome. And I'm going to unbox this now gradually for us to see what we have inside. Wow. And I have this Buzz and Blossom. Thank you for being part of the Buzz and Blossom community, and this is a kind of appreciation from the Black community. And some of the items packed in these are, we have a lovely shirts from the Black YouTube community. That's awesome. And there's a mug in it. We have a fragrance oil. This smells so nice. And we have a gratitude journal. Lovely. Thank you so much, Black YouTube community. And this look like kind of a solar panel. I'm still going to check this out to see what is used for. Thank you so much. And I have a kind of a little vase here. Okay, it can be opened. I think it's a kind of souvenir for it to be placed somewhere here in my corner here. And I also have another fantastic another fantastic, I don't know what's this. Okay, USB humidifier. Wow, thank you so much. I really love this. It's made of wood and very beautiful. And lastly, we have, what is this? Okay, a kind of a biscuit. Yeah. You know, when you attend something like this, you most definitely going to be getting something like this. In terms of the house souvenirs, and as I said earlier, it is not much about this, but more about the experience I had yesterday during that summit. So, guys, those are the things package sent to me from Black YouTube community. Thank you so much, and I'm going to make a video to share my experience in details. When we are done with the whole summit. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.